My point of God. The piracy, foundation for education. Reading culture. Man, I give them the color, which go over Mabutisa Tangira, you inside my book. Oh, in a book. That's the good I just say. Young printers, we have then I got good that the Minister of Education and opinion of Buga cheap for this. You are pirating them. Or bad one. Just a dog that I go about Buga logo or printer. Didn't print it. You could have a newspaper without it. No print for 9. A man who chagua. What your bad boy is here? You have been equal, man. In front of the press, I see you are pirating Lazarus Bokora. I give me to which has been so long of Fungiram Soloma, Namatamba. No mammy is what? Zima said, no mammy is going. Zima said, you are in Nico today. This is substandard, you want. This is substandard. Oh. You all know how Gadras in Jokuan are thinking of news of Gadirwa. Nay, cats. Don't make them a video.